वास्कोतल्या बायणा अप्रेंपाचेर घातिल्ल्या गेटीविशीं MPAचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर N. विनोद कुमारान आपली भूमिका स्पष्ट केली। ही गेट ISPS सुरक्षा प्रोटोकॉलाचे भाग आसून ती पोर्टाच्या भितर उबारल्यात आनी सगळ्या लोकां खातीर उक्ती दवरतले अशें तांणी हे वेळार सांगलें।
We have clarified that many times. There is a up ramp and the down ramp. Up ramp was constructed totally with the port funds for cargo movement. But in spite of that, when the issue was discussed, we allowed public transport on that. We have only put the gates as part of the ISPS security kind of a requirement. And in a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister also, we have made it very clear that those gates will remain open. We have not closed that even for a minute. But then it is a security requirement, and when something untoward happens, then we need to kind of control the traffic coming into the port, etc. So it's just a requirement. We need not look at it in a very egoistical way. It is only a kind of a security requirement, and these gates are on the port land, and it is controlling the movement into the port connectivity road.